Question 11. The diagram shows a square board in which strips of white squares alternate with strips of black and white squares. A larger board constructed in the same way has 49 black squares. How many white squares are there on the larger board? So we can see here that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 by 7. And this has a 3 by 3 grid in the middle in terms of these black squares. So we're all about square numbers here. If we had 49 black squares, then we would have 7 on one side. If we had 7 on one side, that would mean that there would be, what you'd have is black 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the number of squares that we would have as black, but we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, because you need that 1 on the end. You'd have 8 whites on the second row. You'd have 8 whites because you'd have 7 black but 8 whites. On the row above, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You'd have 15 squares, 15 white. So what we've got is, if we're looking for how many white squares that we've got 15 plus 8. We have that repeated 7 times, but then we also have to have, so that would be repeated once down to these blacks, repeated once down to the blacks, repeated again, so 1, 2, 3, but we've still got an extra row here of whites. This is what 2 rows would be. We need 7 lots of these. And then we're going to add that to the 15 extra. And the answer is 176, which is A.